Okay, I've been messing with the camera for like 20 minutes, so I'm just like gonna go ahead and get started. Hopefully this is good. Today I'm just gonna be making a candy necklace for this perler right here. So this is the perler I'm gonna be using, and then I don't really know what colors yet. Obviously I'm gonna use some black. I might use these cool metallic color silver beads. I got these cool clear with black sparkles beads. I got some dark and light red sparkly beads. And I also have these cool black stars and some red foggy beads. So I got all these from the bead tin. I'll link all of these down below. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I just want to note that the string I'm going to be using is a little different. It is not too stretchy because I'm going to be making like a necklace that's kind of like twisted, and you'll see what I'm talking about. But it can't be stretchy for the detailed part that I want to do. And side note, if you do this, always be careful not to break your perler beads off. And now I'm actually going to go ahead and tie one side onto the perler. Okay, I just tied one knot, and now I'm going to go ahead and start putting on the beads. Okay, that's done. And so it's pretty long, and now I'm gonna do the plan. And I don't really know how to explain it because I've actually never seen it. I just have like a vision in my head. So we're just gonna try and recreate that vision. When I tied it, I noticed that it still did get pretty soft. Like, even though this cord is firm, it looks like it would be stretchy, but it's really not all that stretchy. I just couldn't keep the tension pretty tight. And the tension doesn't have to be tight right now, it's just important in the next part. So you'll see what I'm talking about when we go on to the next part. So let's just go ahead and try and get this started. Yeah, I like how this looks a lot. I just have the clear beads that I showed you previously, and then a light red bead star, a black glittery star, and then a dark one. You can just obviously see it, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and try, and what my goal is to get this tight enough to actually wrap it around this, you know, like you see. And once I have a lot more on here, it'll be easier, but yeah, let's just keep going. My arms are hurting. Okay. So this is what I have, and I think I like literally stopped at the perfect time, like coincidentally. I just stopped and I was like, let me wrap everything I have, you know, and luckily like I did, because like it fits perfectly. Wow. That's crazy. Okay, so now we're just going to, I'm just gonna again do that technique and make my little perler hole a little bigger. I'm just gonna put this through and make sure it's on the same one as the other one, because symmetry is everything. Okay, so my lighting isn't that good and I have black on. Let me tie this really quick before anything. Hold on, y'all. This is what I came out with. So you can see, this is like literally exactly what I was picturing. I wanted it to be like a plain sort of strand with like the super detailed strand twisting around with the stars. Okay, I'm so happy with how this came out. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, make sure you subscribe so you can see whenever I make new videos, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.